Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the light is dead with a non-contact tester. Do not skip that. Next, reach up, compress the trim springs or twist the baffle to free the trim and pull it gently down. Place bulbs and trim on a soft surface. Once exposed, release the retention clips on the housing and lower the can until you can access the junction box. Open the box and loosen the wire connectors so you can separate the fixture wiring carefully. Now install the new housing. Position the replacement can or remodel housing into the ceiling opening and engage the provided clips or mounting brackets. Tighten screws or snap clips until the housing sits flush. This secures the can and prevents sagging. Once mechanically mounted, pull the supply wires into the fixture's junction compartment and make solid wire connections, black to black, white to white, ground to ground, using appropriate wire connectors. Once done, tuck wiring neatly and resecure the junction box cover to code. Finish by seating the trim and inserting the correct bulb type and wattage. Improper bulbs cause overheating or dimmer conflicts. Then restore power at the breaker and test the light. Observe startup behavior. Steady on is correct, flicker or buzzing signals a problem. If something goes wrong, shut power off and re-inspect your wire connections and grounding. Ensure the breaker isn't tripped and that any dimmer is compatible with the new fixture. If uncertainty remains, call a licensed electrician rather than risking unsafe repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.